look at this. Is this a game player? That's where we got in from. This is the entrance. It is dilapidated here, and there are signs that people have broken. But this is as far as it has gone. No one usually goes beyond this spot because of fear of jinns, spirits that will either be friends with you or haunt you, or in English known as genies. I should have bought my flashlight.
I cannot see anything.
So this used to be an apartment block in 1990, in the mid-90s, and now it's partially abandoned. On the ground floor, people have entered, people have stayed here, but they usually leave after 1 or 2 hours, and this is as far as people usually go. This thing's boarded up. How many footballs are in here? You're counting that, right? What? This side up.
Yeah. See that cat? It's just staring at me.
There's a non-functioning lift, and if you open it, this is what you see. There are
So, A2 is in the left.
Dude, if I was stuck here forever, I'd have a heart attack. Look at how vintage these look.
Yeah. The vintage. Zakhmi.
Chabnoe. If I see Zakhm, Zakhmi means
Injured. No, injured.
Injured. Zakhmi means injured.
Oh, there's the date, look. Can you see the date?
11th October 1998. It's German from the way the October is spelled.
Yeah. Duct.
Yeah, duct.
You can see the pipes which are rusted.
It's a duct. I think it's dangerous to hang about.
Fuck, I ruined my hands.
So this is one of the rooms, the toilet, and this is pretty interesting. I mean, look, it's pretty old, and the only troubling thing is, I mean, it looks different from the last time we went. The last time we went was 14th of April. These bird bottle. Let's check the date. It looks new. 8 reals, that's about $2. Nope, the expiry date isn't there. Ew, that's Ariel detergent. And these PVC pipes look new as well. Even though the area is exposed. This building is full of tiles and other furniture. I reckon it's at least... How much do you think the cost of all this would be? The entire building along with the furniture in it. And the tiles. Approximately 75,000. More or less. 300 reals. Dude, no way, can't be that much. $300,000, fine. That's the approximate value of the building, and that's a very conservative estimate. It has to be more. Recognize the company?
Hold on.
IBM. Look at it, it's here. You can see the hologram, it's IBM, an old IBM printer.
No,
Imagine
is
that.
there a printer or an
I have no
typewriter?
idea. This probably is a typewriter. I mean, here are the specifics. Go over it. See if it's visible.
You can
One good pause.
Yeah.
So we actually found the typewriter.
There's so much dust over here.
Because this stuff has been abandoned for more than 1.5 decades.
And again, this is a desert. Oh, look at this, bro.
I know, this is the me and extra entered. That's the skeleton of a bird.
This is all pigeon poop.
Holy shit. Look at this. I'm calling it Hoarders Paradise.
That's what it is.
It's a Hoarders Paradise. Look at that, all those magazines right there. I'm so tempted to take some. They're all Arabic, old newspapers. Look, an old sofa. It's got so much. I think that's a shisha pipe, a hookah pipe. Old petrol canister. This room is filled. And let's look at this. What are these? They look like cassettes. What cassette is this? Empty. This looks like Quran. No, it's an Urdu cassette. Whoa, dude, look at this. A hip hop cassette. Look at the names of this. Kriss Kross Da Bomb. Intro, Da Bomb, Sound of My Hood. It Don't Stop, hip hop classic. Fuck. An actual hip hop cassette. This guy was banging. Oh my god, look at those. VHS cassette. So many memories are left here. This is someone's memories. Why would they leave this? Look at these books. The study of language. Islamic activities. Organization of Islamic activities. Okay, it's the Holy Quran. Islamic education. This is a suitcase full of books. Urdu and Arabic. This is Urdu. It reads an anthology of poetry. Look at this, man. It's a full Hoarders pack. Oh my god, do you see that?
That's what I was taking pictures of here.
Shit, I hope I don't break anything. This is literally someone's memories right here. It's an old carton full of old Pepsi bottles. It's even got this logo. When was this logo, man? 90s? Pepsi Cola. Dude, this is amazing. I'm really wow. Is this a game player? Dude, this is, I don't know what console this is, but look at it. It's a player. It's 16-bit. For those of you who are watching this on YouTube, if we upload it, can you recognize this? Please comment in the comment section. What the hell this is? It's 16-bit. So we actually recognized what the console was. Looking at the back, it's a SEGA Special Mega Drive PALG. How about the focuses? Yeah, PALG. Drive AC adapter only. Made in China. And look at this. Oh my god.
Like I'm getting orgasms. These things are older than us.
These, yeah, way younger than them. Is this McDonald's or something?
Did you read this? Did you see this book?
Yeah, checked out the books. There's so many. There's like, it'll take a whole day to go through these. Of course, we can't take any of them. That'd be stealing. But look, Urdu Qaida over there. Nestle. Shit, I'm cracking on. I'm stepping on something. I gotta check out some of these magazines. These are coloring books. Sketchbook.
Move the camera for some time because you might not focus on everything.
I'm checking. Video cassette recorder. A guide on how to use a VHS. Yeah. Read it. I'm just stunned. All this stuff. पता नहीं यार. ये तो कम से कम 20 साल के हैं इन पूरा चीज़ें। आराम से। Who's this guy? This is covered by a plastic, whatever the hell you call this, portfolio. Ahlan wa sahlan. Dude, which era was this? Who's this guy? I assume he was a prince. This was back when the Hajj terminal was new. This is a Saudi brochure, SV World. You know the kind you get on planes? I'm stunned, dude. I'm just stunned. I mean, it would take a full day to go through all of this. A Hoarders Paradise after all. If there's anyone daring enough to come here later, braving gins and stuff, I hope they don't take anything. I don't even know what company this is. Is this Wendy's? Dude, Popeyes. Check this out.
What?
Popeyes. It's breaking apart in my fingers.
Dude, this is 1996 Atlanta Olympics. Oh my god.
Atlanta Olympics?
Yeah, man.
Atlanta 1996. So it's been 20 years. 1996 Atlanta.
Why are you, look, this plastic is literally breaking.
It's breaking. Dude, why did you break that?
It broke. New Orleans style.
Spicy Popeyes. I have no idea. I think that's a New Orleans style. It's probably brought from America, whoever lived here. Private and confidential. I'm not showing it on camera. I'll hide it. Atlanta 1996. This can't be McDonald's. Where's the round M? Where? Oh man, it's McDonald's. 1996.
Can you just feel the fucking quality of it? Just broke that.
Dude, it breaks apart in the fingers.
You just broke a fucking souvenir.
I'm so sorry. At least this is still intact.
Can you please move?
I mean, what plastic is this made of? It can't be Bakelite. Nowadays we use cardboard for stuff like this, but back then it's all plastic. If any of you are raging at me in the comment section, sorry about that. Just as we were leaving, T here actually managed to find something interesting. Whoa, the dust on this, man. Completely caked my shoes and my glasses. GE answer phone, General Electric. Those are the bill details and warranty. I'm not gonna show them on camera.
Sits over here.
Pura ugly re.
क्या डाल दिया? माँ लड़े पूरा खाना बना दिया इसको.
There's so much here, it's hard to explore all of it. And look at the size of that toilet. You can't open this. So now we're leaving this floor. Which floor is this?
This is on the second floor.
Second floor. The Hotel du Bole. Look at that, the ceiling's cracked. And the wallpaper's falling off. Where are you? I'm taking pictures. You can see the amount of dust buzzing around. I mean, look at our shoes. Look at our... I'll wait for you, man. I think the next floor is the roof. Nope, it's not the roof. Alright, hold this.
That's the skeleton of a pigeon.
And access to the terrace. Not the roof.
Oh, there's a lot of cane over there.
This is the motor for the lift. That's cement. This is the motor for the lift. Limitator is the velocity limiter, Italian.
Move. पता नहीं पढ़ते रहे चूती उसको.
Velocita. I learned a bit Italian. Anyway, so that's, you see that over there? Motor for the elevator, the roof, and that is the electric board. Wow, the roof is really low. company is this? SRI Milano. Wow.
Look, what's the temperature outside? It's like 42 degrees Celsius.